Hi everybody! Today I'm actually going to showcase a bunch of herbs. Why herbs? Because herbs are full of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory, and I do believe in the powerful healing properties of food for everything, right? So the way for me to incorporate more of this into my everyday life is something that keeps me very busy, and today I'm actually going to share with you how to do something super simple, something that I know you love, everybody loves, and it's the home-boiled falafel bowl. So for that, I'm going to use a lot of parsley, dill, cilantro, and I'm going to tell you one little secret. There is no shortcuts with the garbanzo beans or the hummus beans. You're going to have to buy dry and then just leave them somewhere overnight. You see, I left these overnight. That's all you need to do. If you think you can use one from a can, you're in for a surprise. You will not be able to do it. Don't even try it. And this is very easy. Just leave them soaking overnight. You come back to them in the morning and you have everything ready to start. So follow me, let's do falafel together. So we'll begin with the half a red onion. We cut it in quarters and we're going to put it in the food processor. Add the garlic. Half a spicy chili. And we stop it. Now we're gonna open it. We'll put all this down. And then all the herbs. You see? This is how much I'm putting here. We're gonna have to do it in 2 batches, okay? It's roughly chopped, and then 3.5 cups of your garbanzo beans. We're gonna weigh half first, and then the rest. This is beautiful. It's just garbanzo beans with a lot of herbs. If this happens to you, don't worry about it. Once you put them in your bowl, because this is when we're going to season them, if this happens, just put them back in the food processor and grind them again and then throw them back. It's time to season it. It's all green, beautiful. I'm going to put salt. This is like a half a tablespoon. Of course, pepper. Little less than half. We're going to put a half a tablespoon of cumin, half a tablespoon of coriander. I'm going to throw the zest of a lemon in here and half a lemon juice. Mix it a little. Now we're going to put half a tablespoon of baking soda. Okay. This is when you're going to see what kind of flour you're going to need. Usually maybe like 2 tablespoons. 1 tablespoon of flour. Maybe a little bit more. That's it. Okay, so now I have my mix ready. The consistency is such that it actually holds its shape easily, you see? And what I do, because I wait for my family to come home, I usually actually just wrap this, put it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to cook them. All right, so we are ready here. This is how much oil I'm gonna use. I'm not gonna be deep frying, but we are gonna use enough oil. I don't like baking them, but what I do is I use avocado oil. I don't like using vegetables oil, and this is gonna be super easy. Let me show you. I have my falafel mix here. So I'm just gonna grab the quantity that I want to do. I like to do just like balls that are not too big. So I'm gonna have to just compress them a little bit. So in order for them to hold their shape, but they hold really nice, you see? just flatten them a little bit. Why? Because we're not deep frying, so you actually want the falafel to be cooked through. You have two options. You can actually do all of them at once and then fry them as you go, or make the balls and throw them in the oil. All right, as you can see, I'm going to show you four. This is going to require for you to stay close to it, okay? So once you are, there you go. You see the brown here? They are actually really fast. So this one is not ready yet. We're going to wait a little longer. And you see, we're not deep frying, but we are allowing the heat to go into all of them. You can put more at once. I just want to show you first how to do a few. And use something that is easy for you to turn, like these two things, so you can hold it from two sides. Don't use like a big spatula, they're easy. They're just gonna break easy. There you go. You see? I'm gonna tell you a trick I have sometimes when I have little things cooking here. You can always put them on the corner and just tilt your oil a little bit. So you allow the heat to be in all of them. This is after a couple of minutes on the fire. They cook quite easily, but the important thing is to put the medium-high heat, not too high. I'm going to show you how they look inside. Always makes your first one to try them, see if they're good with the seasoning. There you go. You see this? It's cooked and delicious.